In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple languages to your site in GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing Builder. If you want your website to reach a wider audience, adding more languages is a great way to make your content easier to understand for visitors in different regions. The good news is that GoDaddy makes this process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, open your website inside GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing Builder. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can manage your site's content and settings. It helps to give the page a moment to fully load so all the editing options appear correctly before you move on. Once your site is open, look over to the right-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the main controls for how your website behaves, including options related to language and regional setup. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just scroll a little within the settings area until it becomes visible. After that, select Language and Region and then click Add Language. This is the section that lets you create additional language versions of your website. When you click to add a language, you'll be able to choose the target languages you want your visitors to access. Pick the languages that make the most sense for your audience and the markets you want to serve. Once the languages are added, you'll need to translate the content fields manually. This is an important part of the process because it gives you full control over how your text appears in each language. Go through each content field carefully and enter the translated version of your text. Take your time here, especially with headings, buttons, and key messages, since those are often the first things visitors notice. It's also a good idea to keep your wording clear and natural rather than translating too literally. When you finish translating the content fields, click Publish to make the updated multilingual version of your site live. Publishing ensures your changes are saved and available to visitors, so they can view your site in the languages you've added. And that's it. By opening your site, going into Settings, choosing Language and Region, adding your languages, manually translating the content, and publishing the site, you can create a more accessible experience for a broader audience. If you're updating your site regularly, remember to keep all language versions consistent whenever you add or change content in the future.